Oh my gosh, Mana, aka Decentraland. It is booming. Have you guys seen the charts on this? No? Maybe that's why you're watching my video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mana has just gone full on straight through the roof, like plus ultra. It knocked it out of the park and into a whole other dimension. This thing just went nuts yesterday, as you guys can clearly see here in the charts. I think some selling pressure is definitely coming right now, and we're going to talk a little bit about this. So in this video, I'm talking about Decentraland, aka Mana, as well as Orchid OXT. And just so you guys know, I asked in my previous video, if you guys haven't voiced your opinions yet, let me know in the comments down below. Would you guys like to see me do some live streams on this channel of Decentraland? One thing, I recorded a video last night. I'm going to be editing it and get that video up today. It's my first playthrough, so it's not going to be a live stream for that video, but it's my first impressions of the game. With the price rises of everything, my biggest concern at the moment with Mana and with Decentraland is how expensive everything is. So I don't know if they're going to discount the prices, but with this recent spike in price, it makes even the cheapest of things in Decentraland being costing over $100. I almost said $1 million. That would have been nuts. But it's over $100. And that's for just little clothing items, right? So something's got to change with that. Otherwise, you're not going to really appeal to average players. You're only going to be appealing to the really rich people. And then the regular players are going to be going in and running around, and they're all wearing the same basic clothes. So hopefully some new things are going to be coming out pretty soon. Obviously, the game is still in the early stages. It's all about first movers advantage with stuff. I was hoping to buy some property inside the game. It's quite expensive. If you guys want to help me out, I'm doing the streams, and you want to see me do more, maybe you can donate some Mana to me and help make it a community-based thing or something. Anyways, aside from that, we're going to talk about Decentraland Mana and real quick hop over to what's going on over on the Twitter side. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button as well. Let's try and get this video to at least 100 likes. Click on the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video that goes up. So check this out. Shooting Star over on Twitter says, once Mana hits $1, $10 will come sooner than you think. And I feel that this is a very big psychological component that takes place with cryptocurrencies especially. And it's all about that first mover's advantage. And guess what? Mana did pass over $1. And the fact if it can hold and maintain this, I would say for at least a couple days, that $10 looks way more probable. Look at Roblox that just got listed on the stock market. People are looking at projects like Decentraland and including the NFT space of what Decentraland is now allowing to be incorporated in. Like your art pieces can be featured in the game and people can actually go and bid and buy these things through Decentraland. It's absolutely amazing how this game is continuing to evolve, right? What else is around the corner? That's the big question. So if you guys are fans of things like Second Life, Decentraland looks like a crypto kind of version of something like that. So it's very interesting, very exciting times indeed. All right, I think that was, wait, there's one more. Decentraland Mana, I honestly think Mana will break $100 this year. Save this tweet. So I didn't save it, but I clicked like on it. If you guys want to check me out on Twitter, I'm at Atlas Official TV in the bottom left-hand side right there. Decentraland. What did I have this up for? Was there something? No, I think I was just looking up the news. Oh, I know what it was. It was right here. I thought it was funny because this was uploaded earlier today and they said Decentraland price analysis, Mana coin may hit 80 cents. And it went way past 80 cents. That was just 10 hours ago. This thing went all the way up to $1.26. Jeez, it went all the way up to that much? Or $1.25. Oh my God. I saw it at $1.17. I didn't know that it hit $1.25. Jeez, this thing did even better than I even realized. And there's not really much news going on with Orchid for the last 24 hours. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts, ladies and gentlemen. So as it is right now, we broke above on the previous day, above the 1.618, right? With that new daily establishment zone, we were able to further continue up, breaking above 2.618, and then even going further, plus ultra, right? Nice little My Hero Academia reference. I love anime. I'm a creator too. Anyways, passing above 3.618 and then entering in just a little bit above there. So we essentially had filled in two different zones from bottom to top of the wicks. So absolutely incredible day. The volume, as you guys can see, was also extremely explosive. A lot of people trying to capitalize on this coin right now. You look at the price of everything that's inside the game, the stuff that you're going to be trying to buy now is going to be worth way, way more because of the listing price and what's associated with mana. So people that are looking to do real estate type stuff, this fits right into that kind of category. The RSI is suggesting it as being a little bit overbought. So do be kind of concerned with that. But guys, right now, things are just really bullish in this market space in general. The technical radar suggests a buy signal. Things are still looking good in that front as well. These are the levels we need to look out for as this continues to move. This is actually starting to get closer towards the top. So depending on how this plays out soon, I might actually have to readjust some things. But if we go too much higher, then it's going to be really just kind of a guessing game, and we're looking at some very key basic psychological elements. So right now, what we have from a trend perspective is going to be $1.20. That is something that we need to break. Well, first off, $1. We're right underneath $1 as of the time of recording this video. So breaking above $1 again. Then we have $1.20, and then we have the all-time high right here at $1.25, and then pushing up past $1.40. That's going to give us a whole other wide range of like, where is it going to go, right? $1.50 is then next on the table, and then we'd be working our way towards $2. On the way down, this is showing support at 89 cents. In fact, we even can see there's basically this bounce that took place on the bottom of this wick on that 89 cents level. If this drops down further, then I would strongly be looking at a potential level of bounce off of here. This actually coincides pretty well with the bottom of the wick right there, actually, now that I look at it. That's at 60 cents. And that's very close indeed with the Fibonacci on the 1.68. That's at 58 cents. And then a massive, massive drop, meaning correcting everything we had for gains yesterday and worse, would take it all the way down to the 21 EMA, and that's at 49 cents, basically 50 cents. I don't think that's going to happen. Something absolutely crazy bad would probably need to be announced. Some pullback, I think, is more likely right now because of just how much these percentage gains were yesterday. We got to be realistic, guys. You look at something that gains like 10%, and you're like, oh, that was a really nice daily candle gain, especially if you're looking at stuff like stocks. Then you look at things like crypto, and you're like, whoa, this had a 20% gain. And we're getting pretty damn greedy, right? 30% gain, 40, 50, 60. This thing went, I think, 100% gains over the last 24 hours. So if you don't expect it to sell off some right now, then you're crazy. Like, the higher probability of it going down some than it to have a further continuation up, especially in the short term right now. It's crazy. Excuse me. So I expect to have a bit of a discount, if you want to look at it that way, coming more than likely soon. I'm not a financial advisor. Let me go ahead and clarify that for all of you guys. Now let's go ahead and go take a look at what's going on with Orchid. With Orchid, another continuation of a green day. Not very much movement is what a lot of us would like to see. There's an upcoming event here in about 10 days from the time of making this video, so that's going to be exciting. I think most people are looking at Edward Snowden, what he's going to say. Is he going to help promote this? Is he going to come back to Twitter and endorse this kind of thing? I mean, we would love to see it actually just totally go parabolic into the moon. So the levels we need to keep on an eye on right now, we do have some resistance occurring at 68 cents. I don't know what's going on with my throat right now. 68 cents. We have another level that's at 79 cents. A further break above that, 82 cents. And then we're at the $1 region zone. That's going to be comparable to the previous all-time high. It took place back in August. We break above that, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! We're looking at $1.53. Break above that. We got $2.38. Another level at $3.27. And then we got all the way up at $3.78. And baby, let's push for $5, $10, 20, 25, 30. I think we can do it. I love this coin. I believe in it. Now, if it pulls back, the levels we need to keep an eye on, we do have support being established at 58 cents. That's also a bounce off of not only the Fibonacci, but also here on the daily candle for the wick on the bottom on March 12th. A further level drop down below that is on the 21 EMA at 54 cents. And that's on the, as I said, on the 20 EMA, sorry. And then we got 50 cents, of course, from a psychological standpoint, and 48 cents on the bottom. The volume has been pretty mediocre. We had a nice little boost here on March 11th, but then a lot of selling pressure going on. I think they finally corrected the imbalance going on between the exchanges, like Coinbase and all the other exchanges. So if that's all been finally fixed and everything's like leveled out, maybe we can actually get some moves going on with this. The RSI is suggesting we are still in a good territory. It is not overbought yet. We got plenty of room to go up with this. Ladies and gentlemen, technicals are suggesting a buy as well. And that's going to go ahead and do it for this episode. So if you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button as well, click the bell icon, let me know what you guys thought about this episode, and also in the comments down below, tell me, do you want to see some more Decentraland gameplay style videos being uploaded and or doing the live streams? Be specific with these things. I think there's a good chance of building a strong community around this. You guys have probably seen me do other videos talking about Decentraland, and I'd like to explore more of what potential possibilities that it has, especially for this channel. So let me know, please. Thank you guys so much for being here. I got links in the description. I nearly forgot about this again. But if you guys want to, use my referral link for some bonus stuff in Coinbase. You could use it for referral bonuses in Webull for stock stuff. You get free stocks, guys. Robinhood, free stocks. You got also BlockFi as an affiliate now. You guys can go through my link and earn up to $250 in bonus cryptocurrencies. So if you guys want to use those, they're there. And thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your support, and I will see you in the next episode.